Yo, on my grind all day, gonna make $1 million selling that someday. You know I'm in the building when I write this way. Put me in the pound when I bite this game. Bitch, I'm an animal, eating these rappers, I swear I'm a cannibal. About to fulfill all my dreams, I'm a fiend. I've been plotting and scheming, this shit is obscene. I rise on fleek, what in the fuck does all that even mean? Right now, right now, ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Right now, ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with a sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking with rhymes. Do I really wanna be a fucking sellout? Do I really wanna take that route? Hell nah, I'm just paying my dues. Getting that check so I can out on dues. Gotta get paid so I can pay my rent. So let me get a snapback, a chain, let me get it right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with a sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with a sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now.
Right now, right now, right now, yo. Right now, right now, right now, yo. Yeah. Right now. Yeah. Right now.
3 chains. I just wanted to say that, that's all.
That's all we wanna do, man.
Yeah, hey Tone, I'm doing something different, nigga. Follow my lead. Yeah. Black whip, black rims, yellow bitch, red bone. Big hips, blue eyes, big lips, hair long. Thick as shit, bad as fuck. Me and her tune, nigga, add it up. If you love your girl, you wanna keep your girl, then let me meet your girl, cause I'll snatch her up. Two niggas in one whip with 2 scraps and a pound of green with a mouth full of that gold shit. True religion, my fucking jeans. Red hat, red chucks, red dress with a red punch. About to hit the bitch with that super dick. When she fall out and she get drunk. Niggas know I stay with the scraps, so these niggas try to talk on the low. But your girl a hoe, her friends a hoe. I tell them get low, they got on the flow. A pound of dro, a half a kush, a half a diesel. Y'all smokes it all with a bad bitch in my rear view. She try to hunt the home, but I keep going. Yeah, some young niggas from the loot. My boys like, nigga, who are you? Yeah, them niggas know I let my pants in. So don't ask me why my motherfucking pants in. Couple bands in my pockets, 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 40 grand in my pocket, about to take my chick to go shopping. Gucci, Louis, and Prada, you can find it out in my closet. I ain't no bitch, nigga, no snitch, neither. Look at all these times of reefer. Dirty Sprite on my cup, and then I'm smoking like I'm Wiz Khalifa. Got an AR-15, I aim it at your fucking spleen. I turn this bitch to a murder scene. My name Tune, no Tunchi. Got Gucci, I'm Jet Lean. On the jet plane with porn stars. Fuck a bitch, I'm going hard. Shout out to my dealer, a real drug dealer. Pounds on pound trick. Turn this bitch to Thriller. This ice on my wrist vanilla. And if I go too deep, I'm a killer. She like that dope dick, so I hit her with that killer. I'm a rich ass nigga. Paid go figure. Got a couple bags in my wallet. Shitting on him, I need a toilet. I get high, no looking down. 2 clips, 100 rounds. It's going down in Toontown. It's my crown, I'm the king now. Yeah, some young niggas from the loot. My boys like, nigga, who are you? Yeah, them niggas know I let my pants in. So don't ask me why my motherfucking pants in. Couple bags in my pockets, 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 got a couple bags in my pockets, yeah.
Hey yo, I'm tired of this fucking beat. Hey yo, how many y'all niggas gotta do this beat? I can kill this fucking Panthers, man.
Yeah, I'm tired tired of this fucking panda song. I don't stand alone. I just wanna wrap my fucking hands across. Stab the head and break the fucking panda's jaw. Burn them up and turn the fucking candles on. Choke and beat him, put a couple hammers on him. Dab on a nigga while I'm standing on him. Kick him, punch him, throw him, make him slam the wall. Time to a cannon, make him cannonballs to the ocean, make him suffer too. Nigga, this is fucking animal abuse. Animal cruelty on the fucking news. I'ma kill the panda till he bloody too. I make him black and blue for the black and white. I don't fuck with niggas like a pack of dice. Eat the panda, bitch, I got an appetite. I'm out this world, I swear that I'm a satellite. How many rappers gotta try to pay me? Tired of hearing niggas on the same beat. Time to kill the panda in my own pajamas. Fly to Atlanta in the same week. What's a panda to a fucking polar bear? A gorilla to a monkey, tiger to a puppy, lion to a kitten, wolf to a pigeon, shark to a fish, a snake to an infant, alligator in a waterway, Jordan Lucas to a dinosaur and pet. They ain't know that I'm Tyrannosaurus Rex. Grab the panda rubber, rip apart his neck. I ain't doing interviews and autographs. I don't like the way you talk and all of that. I should fuck your bitch and never call it back. I go down in history as an artifact, but I'm tired of this fucking panda song. I just wanna wrap my fucking hands across. Stab their head and break the fucking panda's jaw. Burn them up and turn the fucking candles on. Choke and beat him, put a couple of hammers on him. Dab on a nigga while I'm standing on him. Kick him, hit him, make him slam the wall. Time to a cannon, make him cannonball to the ocean, make him suffer too. Nigga, this is fucking animal abuse. Animal cruelty on the fucking news. I'ma kill the panda till he bloody too. That's a bloody mess, that's a bloody death. Tell them niggas hating on me, suck a dick. I ain't satisfied until I get to smash J-Lo and give her ass a couple kids. I've been on Animal Planet, I got my hands in the phantom. I'm cannon again and nobody gonna hand me a Grammy. Goddamn it, I bet they don't even wanna hear what they planning. I sit in the pen again and I blend with the hammer. The man with the planet, you looking at the man in the mirror. The man with the killer, the driller, nigga shit in the building. I hate with the real is really well. I handle my business again and I get it. I gotta get it, damn it, I did it. I'm out of this commodity, about to be out of the, out of the, right of the side of the driver seat, the lottery. How do we get out of the mind of a prodigy, nigga? All I ever wanted was to hit the lottery, nigga. All eyes on me and it gotta be, nigga. Swear to God, Tupac could be proud of me, nigga. All I know is a fire burning inside of me, nigga. All I ever could be as real as I gotta be, nigga. And why you all wanna act hard? Where I'm from, me get a pop it in the backyard. Now everybody wanna run about the back door. Half pussy, half bitch, you a cat dog. Let me see you do the cat daddy on a black caddy. So they got a fat fatty and a flat belly. All she do is laugh, really, get she act petty. I can't pin it on a nigga off a balcony, flipping in his mouth. Hey, y'all done got me mad. I'ma put the panda in a body bag. What you doing around here? Why you standing around? Why you niggas trying to lollygag? You don't got a life and you proud of that? All you wanna know is where the molly at. All you hoes think about is product bags. I done killed a panda with designer at, nigga. But this is not a diss, don't call it that. I'm just giving all you pandas hepatitis, cancer, HIV, and a heart attack. All you broke bitches need to call a cab. Cause I ain't... Yo, stop rapping over this goddamn beat, cause I ain't too fond of that. Look, I'm tired of this fucking panda song. I'll stand alone. I just wanna wrap my fucking hands across, stab their head and break the fucking panda's jaw. Burn them up and turn the fucking candles on. Choke and beat him, put a couple of hammers on him. Dab on a nigga while I'm standing on him like... like this. M-double-O, get my damn flex on. Going real hard like a DMX song. Gotta lay low in a stand back zone. Got a girl up north and a fan back home. Can't nobody do it like me, man. You can never understand, it's a G thing. I'm about to make a call to the Wii, man. Just a little sauce up for the pregame. Young boy from the west, but it's love in the south. Goons on deck, put the slug to your mouth. Don't say a word if it's drugs in the house. I'ma call code red if it's bloods in the house. West Coast shit, man, I feel like Kane. Dress getting long, man, I feel like Wayne. Ball all day, but I still ain't playing. Work so hard, make you feel that pain. I make it rain like a million Katrinas. Me and my brother gon' pack out arenas. I feel like Martin is millions of Ginas. I'm bringing that work like I'm Gilbert Arenas. You stepped in me wrong and you gotta be crazy. If it's on my body, you gotta be wavy. Call up my dogs if you tryna get rabies. Cause no one is safe but the women and babies. Oh boy, don't got a plan right now. I don't care about shit, I'm the man right now. No DJ, got a band right now. Listen up boy, you a fan right now. Always did what I said I'm gon' do. Young OG, you can bet I'm on too. Working all night, got records on loop. And I'm picking up the bill when the check is on you. She talking to me like she hate me. Girl, I know that you want me. Cause I make you go crazy. Ain't nobody above me. I be up in your zone. Got you smoking that strong. Sing the words to my song. We got shit going on. She talking to me like she hate me. Girl, I know that you want me. Cause I make you go crazy. Ain't nobody above me. I be up in your zone. Got you smoking that strong. Sing the words to my song.
I've been waiting way too long. Yeah.